Hello students of class 10, this is the last part of the vegetation part chapter. We will start from the tropical desert forest. Desert forest. This forest is mainly confined in the dry areas of Rajasthan, southwest Punjab, Kutch and Kathiawar region of Gujarat. So this forest is mainly found in the desert part of India or the dry part of India, in Kutch, Kathiawar, Gujarat, that part, where rainfall is 50 centimeter or less. Rainfall is 50 centimeter or less and temperature is very high throughout the year. The plants grow apart from each other. The plants grow apart from each other means the trees are scattered. The trees grow in scattered way. The plants grow apart from each other. The trees are scattered. They have long root and thick. They have long root. Now first, why long root? They have long root to collect water from deep underground. In the dry areas, there is lack of water. So the trees have long root to collect water from deep underground, and they have thick fleshy stem to store the water for the long drought. They have thick fleshy stem to store the water in the long dry season, for the long dry season. The trees that grow here are tea, khir, date plum. These are the common trees that found here. Next is the mountain forest or montane forest. Mountain, you can get in the exam as montane forest also. So it is mainly found in the mountainous region, both in North India and also in the hill slopes of the South India. They are altitudinized. They are classified into three parts. About up to 1500 meters evergreen trees are found. 1500 to 3500 temperate evergreens and conifers are found, and 3500 to 4500 alpine meadows, alpine vegetation is found. The important trees are of evergreen trees are shishu, chaplus, gorgon, teak. The important trees of mixed forest are poplar, oak, maple, and the important trees of alpine vegetation are juniper, rhododendron, etc. They are very important. This point is very important. So for map pointing, if you get desert vegetation, you have to mark the Rajasthan interior part. If you get the mountain forest or mountain forest, you have to mark the northern India part, that is in Jammu and Kashmir part you have to mark. Next is the littoral forest. Littoral forest. What are littoral forests? The forests that grow in the coastal area or in the deltaic region of India, they are called littoral forests. This forest is mainly found in the Ganga delta region of Ganga, Brahmaputra, Krishna, Kaveri, etc. Now characteristics, this saline soil, these soil are grow mainly, these trees are mainly grow in the saline soil. They have developed breathing roots or pneumatophores as they found in the saline soil. They have breathing roots or pneumatophores above the ground to get air or oxygen from above. Next, they have stilt roots to get protection. The forest gets submerged by the tidal water during high tide, so they are also known as tidal forests. So during high tide, these forests remain covered with tide water, so they are also known as tidal water. Tidal river in India, they are called mangrove. In our West Bengal, and in Bangladesh borders it is mainly named in as Sundarban. The important tree of this region is Sundari, and according to that name Sundari, the name Sundarban is given. The other trees here are Hogla, Goran, Golpata, Gilipata, Pashur, etc. This forest is mainly used for furniture making, for wheel and block cut, etc. And for firewood purpose also this forest is used. You can get short note for littoral forest or characteristics of littoral forest. This forest part is very important. Characteristics, regional distributions and important species, all you have to read along with the map pointing part. For map pointing part also you can get from vegetation. All the vegetations are important for map pointing. Okay, so this is the end of the natural vegetation. Please go through the video properly. 4 videos on natural vegetation given. In next online class I will discuss this part. If you have any queries you can ask us before the class. Please go through the chapter once. Thank you class.